Like, I swear I'm getting addicted to making these videos. I mean, I'm making this video right now because I don't like stupid people. I'm not saying bitches are specifically females, but I'm talking about bitch ass niggas too, which there's a lot of them nowadays. Don't talk shit over my space. Please don't fucking do it. Because me being me, when I see your ass in public, I don't give a fuck if you're at your bar mitzvah, your motherfucking graduation, baby's christening. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna beat your ass. Why? Because you were talking shit and you were telling me you're keeping it 100 when most motherfuckers are really on that 32, 31.5 type shit. Really, to be honest. Me, I don't play around. You can call me fake if you want to. I don't really think anyone has ever called me fake. I don't really think anyone has ever said I ain't about the shit I be talking about, because everything I fucking say is everything I've done or everything that I'm about to do to you and or your relatives. Keep it like that. Don't talk about my family. Don't talk about my friends. If you see them on my top, make sure to don't fucking add me and talk shit about them, because I'm gonna say something, bitch. I keep my shit on just so I can see if someone's gonna start woofing to my niggas, because them is my niggas, my family. So don't fuck with it. I don't give a fuck what you think. The best option I would say for you is to be my friend so I can have your back like your motherfucking homies will not, because when it all comes down to it, they can't do this shit like me. I'm a sick motherfucker. I like fucking fighting people. I like violence and all that shit. That shit turns me on, just puts me on. You feel me? I like that shit. So don't try to be me, or just don't try to be something you're not.